What's up, guys? Welcome back, and today we are actually going to be installing Nightlight's LED bars. Let me pull these out of here so you guys can see. I already actually took these out and kind of set them up. Where they have to go. These are nice. Shout out to Nightlight. As you can see, Nightlight, you guys can see, it comes with its hardware here, here, and here. Pretty much 2 sets, one for each side. These are 6 bulb LEDs, red and black powered to ground. Simple. I pretty much set these up. I'm going to show you how I'm going to put these on my chassis. For the install, we have drill bits, because we got to actually make some holes around here to show you how it goes, how we're going to do it. Pretty much I have to take these off when I install them anyway, because I have to give them to my guy at Wireware that's doing our custom chassis harness to wire these up. So, Nightlight LED bars, passenger side, driver side, and we're gonna put these on. Okay. So here we have the passenger side. I'm going to show you how I'm going to mount this. They have to sit high enough. I mean, I already fit the bumper up so I can actually get the level of where the headlights are going to go. But anyway, I mounted these brackets that actually came along with the kit. And we have to go high enough to there. So what we're going to do is we're going to mount that side there, and we're going to mount this side down here. We're going to get that look just like that, and vice versa for the other side. Okay, we're going to do 2 markings here and there, and we're just going to start drilling, make a hole, put them through, and just bolt them right up, and see what it's going to look like. We have our drill bit. Okay. I'm actually going to start off with this side because I can actually see the hole. So if I can actually see the hole there, I can just mark it, drill it, and then put the screw in, tighten it, and it'll actually show me where I have to go so I can level this side, and it would be even.
So, what I'm going to do here is
So what we're doing here is we're switching the 1/4 inch to a smaller size so we can actually get an angle in through here, into this little hole here. We're gonna actually angle it so we can angle to start up the hole, and then we'll go up to this side, put the hole through. What we're gonna do is 3/16. To get the actually hole. And there you have it. Pretty clean install. Did it in about 10 minutes. It's pretty straight, it's leveled. It's where I want it to be. I'll adjust it once I get them on, but as you can tell, you see it's pretty in there. You know, and just did some quick drilling and got those on, but they're pretty on there now. We're gonna move over to the driver's side. It's simple, most likely, and the harness will obviously be tucked, but we got this on. All we gotta do is tighten these, but we're just gonna leave them on like that for now. They're pretty loose, but they're pretty on there. I mean, I'm not gonna tighten them, I just wanted to get them mounted up. Got to take them off anyway, but onto the driver's side. Same setup here. We have 2 arm brackets on both sides. This is something I came up on my own, so if you guys get these headlights, they actually come with this whole kit comes with this. It actually comes with a longer one and 2 short ones. These are just connected into one here, but same scenario. I'm gonna be honest, I guessed these hoes. They're not that far off, but if you kind of push it over this way, you can see where the hole is. It's like less than an inch away off. Anyway, but there they are. It's mounted. Get you guys a closer look. They're mounted. Again, they're pretty tight, and here we have it. Nightlight LED bars. For any of you guys that are interested in Nightlight, I'll tag them on Instagram. Check my page out at MaxLit and check out all their products. Check out their YouTube videos as well on their reviews through customers and other people that bought them. When I turn these on, they're obviously LEDs, so they're clear. They'll probably go on that house all the way over there, where you see that window right there. It will light up. Yeah, that's about, from here, it's probably like 50 yards. I think I exaggerate. I think that's like 30. Anyway, that's the install on the Nightlight headlights. We're done here. And quick and easy. See you guys next time. Peace.